Yeah, you guys are going to battle each other too, okay? So we have 3 different breeds coming out.
3 different breeds.
So we got to cut it in thirds.
In thirds. Well, you know how good I am at math.
All right, well, we're going to start at the post.
Okay.
From that post this way, you're going to be Team Labrador Retriever.
Oh, they sound really excited about that.
Yeah, that's what you got to do with the labs out here. All right, we're going to split this group.
Okay, hold on. Can you hold it for
Winner. From you to the post. So raise your hand so everyone knows who you are. It says winner on her shirt. Yeah. To the post. I'm like, I couldn't read the top part. I'm like, damn. You guys are gonna be Team Border Collie. Here.
Oh, I think we should be Team McNabb.
No, because Maggie McNabb's right there.
Yeah, because Maggie McNabb is in the audience.
McNabb is in our audience.
So we're gonna have to
Team McNabb.
Yes.
Raise your hands. All you guys, right here.
Right here.
Right here.
All right, you guys are Team McNabb.
All right, and you folks all the way from Winner, person next to Winner. Yep. Over all the way to here, you guys are Team Border Collie. Let's hear you. It's gonna be loud for your breed, okay? So not only do you guys get to compete against each other, we get to compete against each other.
We do get to compete against each other.
We're a little competitive. Maybe Chad. All right, let's bring out our contestants here. We have Limit, the Border Collie, Lana'i, McNabb, Shepherd, and River, the Labrador Retriever.
All right, let's hear those Labrador Retriever fans. Okay, and we do have a special judge coming out there. Alexis, check your mic. Hello. All right, so Alexis is our judge. You got the, money I left you over there, right?
No,
No, I did. I left it over by your phone.
I didn't see it.
Oh.
I bet you some ice cream.
Oh, okay.
Better ice cream.
I mean, I would take some half. All right, it's over there. It really is. All right, you guys. Looks like a River. This is River. She is bouncing and ready to go. Labrador Retrievers, let's hear you scream. Ready? Set.
22 feet.
22 feet for Team Labrador Retriever. All right, it looks like Team Border Collie is all set to go. This is Limit. Team Border Collie, are you guys ready? All right, he's a beautiful 5-year-old Border Collie. He actually just had a birthday as well on Monday. So happy birthday, Limit. All right, looks like we are ready. Set. Oh, you're not ready. Sorry. Are you doing a sit stay? Are you doing a stay, Jess? Okay. Ready, set.
20 and a half feet to the nose.
20 and a half feet to the nose.
All right, team McNabb, let's hear you. Oh, there we go. You guys are going to be a little bit louder. Our dogs do run faster and jump higher when they know they're getting cheered. All right, Miss Lana'i. Get her all set up.
All right, here we go.
Ready, set. Oh, Lana'i. Team McNabb. Team McNabb, you guys are getting it. Go.
Oh, Lana'i, I'm sorry. I threw that just a little too high. She was like, I things. I can go out there and get it. All right, Team Labrador Retriever. Here comes River. There we go. Trainer Deb is getting her all set up there. All right, Team Labrador Retriever, are you ready? Ooh, that was a big one.
23 feet.
23. All right, it looks like Team Labrador Retriever is in the lead right now. Is that right, Alexis?
Yes.
Okay. All right. All right, Team Border Collie, are you ready? They are ready. Here at Purina Farms, we truly believe that people and pets are better together with proper nutrition,
All right, ready? I'm gonna say ready, set. You both have to go. Come on, team. Yeah. Ready, set. Oh, 4.5.
Just a little bit. Well, thank you so much for coming out to the show this afternoon. We hope you guys had as much fun as we do out here with our awesome dogs.
I want to thank our pet advisors, Alexis out here on the mic and running our dogs. Melissa